Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here.
A pristine, snow-laden expanse reaches toward the far horizon, untouched and serene. Brightly colored buildings form a vibrant village, bustling with the energy of Santa's operations. The heart of Santa's operation beats strong, filled with the promise of wonder and joy. In this hub of holiday magic, every corner whispers tales of dreams and generosity. The camera pans across Santa's workshop, a whirlwind of joyful chaos and brightly colored disarray. Jingle bells hang askew amidst a sea of half-finished toys. The air vibrates with the sounds of hammering, sawing, and cheerful chatter, a symphony of festive industry. Every corner bursts with activity, brimming with the promise of Christmas magic. Amidst the festive chaos, Santa's booming laughter echoes through the workshop. With a clap of his hands, Santa commands attention, a mountain of red velvet. The elves pause, their cheerful chatter fading as they turn to face the jolly figure. A hush falls over the workshop, all eyes now fixed on Santa. The air crackles with anticipation, ready for Santa's next command. The North Pole Workshop is a symphony of organized chaos, teeming with tireless elves. Amid the flurry, Santa Claus appears, his presence a beacon of warmth and authority. Santa's voice booms through the workshop. "All right, everyone, gather round. Time to meet the team." The elves pause, their tools momentarily still, as they turn their attention to Santa. A moment of breathless anticipation hangs in the air, the promise of unity and purpose. Santa's workshop bursts with frantic energy as Santa gestures towards the bustling elves. A tiny elf grapples fiercely with a rebellious teddy bear, a comical struggle against the holiday chaos. The teddy bear resists, a furry symbol of the playful pandemonium. Santa surveys the scene, a knowing smile playing on his lips amidst the whirlwind of activity. The workshop pulses with life, a symphony of tiny hammers and excited chatter filling the air. In Santa's bustling workshop, an elf adds racing stripes to a miniature sleigh with intense focus. His brow furrows as he perfects each stripe, a testament to his dedication to the craft. Each stroke is a testament to the magic of Christmas, crafted with precision and care. Inside Santa's bustling workshop, rows of elves bend diligently over their tasks, the spirit of Christmas alive in every corner. Toys of all shapes and sizes come to life under their skilled hands, transforming simple materials into objects of joy. Amid the cheerful chaos of hammering, sawing, and chatter, Santa beams with pride, observing his dedicated team. "This is the heart and soul of Christmas," Santa exclaims, his voice filled with warmth and gratitude. Santa's booming voice cuts through the joyful pandemonium, a reminder of the impending deadline. "Now, back to work." Santa booms, his voice echoing through the workshop. He reminds them, "We've got a deadline to meet, and a whole world of good little boys and girls waiting." The elves erupt in joyful cheers. The elves scatter, returning to their workstations. The sound of toy-making intensifies, filling the workshop with a lively hum. The workshop buzzes with renewed energy, each elf focused on their task. In Santa's bustling workshop, an elf tests a toy airplane with hopeful anticipation. The plane wobbles mid-air, its flight unstable as it veers unpredictably. The toy careens wildly, threatening to collide with Santa himself. Santa watches with a mix of surprise and concern as the toy plane approaches. In Santa's bustling workshop, a toy train gleams, its wheels turning a symbol of dedication and joy. The train moves forward, a perfect creation born from the elves' tireless efforts. Each rotation echoes the countless hours of craftsmanship poured into its making. The train continues its journey, a testament to the magic of Christmas. It symbolizes the culmination of dreams and the spirit of giving that fills the workshop. In the heart of Santa's workshop, a symphony of joyful chaos unfolds as Santa surveys his domain with twinkling eyes. Elves, the tireless artisans of Christmas, weave through the workshop, their nimble hands adding the final touches to a myriad of toys. Other elves gather around Santa's sleigh, their movements precise and purposeful as they load gifts, preparing for the magical journey ahead. The air vibrates with festive energy, thick with the comforting scents of pine needles and gingerbread, painting a vivid portrait of Yuletide bliss. A palpable sense of anticipation hangs heavy, each moment infused with the unspoken promise of Christmas magic, ready to be unleashed upon the world. The workshop comes alive with the spirit of Christmas as Santa prepares for the biggest night of the year.
Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.